Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to use eBay coupons. So firstly, open eBay application on your device and then in the searching field that is located at the top of your screen, type in the product you are looking for. So for example, I want to purchase watch. Then once you select the item, open the details of the product by simply tapping on this product. And if this product is okay for you and you want to buy it, so go to the checkout page by pressing Buy It Now button. And here at the checkout page, you need to look for the field gift cards and coupons. It can be even without the gift cards, just simply coupons. It depends on the product that you're purchasing. So open this field, and if you have such code, you need to enter here this code and tap Apply button to use basically the coupon. This is those coupons during the checkout, and also another way you can use your coupons is by going to the home page, and in this deals section, you see it right here, deals, you can search for items that have some offers for you, really good offers. It's some promotions, and here you see this coupon. Okay, here you can see the many products that have these coupons. So you just simply when you have this code, as I showed you earlier, so no, there are no any coupons. Okay, so for example, I like this power station and I want to buy it, and I have discount coupon. So again, press Buy It Now button, and okay, this specific item is not available to ship in my country, but okay, so simply enter this coupon in the section Apply Gift Cards or Coupons. So yeah, that's basically it, how you can use eBay coupons. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon, bye bye.